how to buy 42069 coin token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. Don't forget to go and engage with their community. As you can see, they have 322 members there. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 1 day ago and increased by 500% in the last 24 hours. And also, this token joined in number 12 in this transaction. Now, to be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address and open your fund to mine. For that, as you can see, after that, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough solar on your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar. So this is also now click on it, and after that click on I understand. Now here you can type how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will be able to receive that token, as you can see. And after that, click on pricing, click on provider, select Jupiter for example, click on apply. Now go back and click here on swap, and you will be able to redact your Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy 42069 coin token. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks.